So Apple has released Apple Vision Pro. I think this is the beginning of a new type of device that will be used as a computer. Earlier we had desktop computers, then we moved to laptop computers. The laptop computers grew powerful and they were able to replace desktop computers mostly, right? A lot of people work on laptops nowadays. Then came the mobile phones. There are powerful mobile phones that also replaced a lot of tasks that laptops were used to, you know, perform those tasks. So now there is Apple Vision Pro. Before this, there were other VR headsets that were just focusing on VR things. The processor was not that powerful. You might have got Snapdragon XR processors that were okay, could run games, but no, not like a mainstream laptop processor. But Apple Vision Pro changes everything. Why? Let us just go into the specs of Apple Vision Pro. So you get 1 TB option. First of all, if money is not your concern, then this is a product for you. So leave the money out of the window. You have enough money. Then let us look at the specs. So it has 1 TB option, enough storage, right? You have got a very nice display that is micro OLED. This is the latest type of display. Very nice. Refresh rate of that display will be 90 Hz to 100 Hz. That's very nice. Chip which is used in Apple Vision Pro is M2 chip that is used in MacBooks, MacBook Airs, and even desktop Mac computers. This is the game changer. You are getting 8 core CPU with 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, 10 core GPU, 16 core neural engine, 16 GB RAM. Amazing, right? So consider this, you buy a VR headset, that VR headset has a processor and a graphic card capability that is present in your MacBook Pro or MacBook Air laptop. You'll be able to do all the work that you would have done on that laptop because the processor is there. You can set up a virtual screen and start working. You want to edit videos, you can easily edit videos in this particular headset. No need to have a laptop. You just put this on. Now you're getting a feeling that you are sitting in front of a 200-inch screen. Imagine that and working on that. In this, you don't even require a mouse. You will be working on the gestures, your hand gestures, and you'll be able to edit videos, produce videos, do everything, surf, watch movies, any type of productivity task that you were going to do on your laptop. It has cameras also, a lot of sensors. Audio is also good. 2 hours of battery, but you can plug it in. Apple Vision Pro can be used while plugging in. So either you can buy multiple battery packs that is available, or you can plug it in and work, replace your laptop. This is the first iteration of the device, and it has a processor that is M2. Soon the next one will come with M3 processor. There will be a pro version M3 Max processor. It will be matching the most powerful laptops in processing power. Imagine what you can do with that. I think that for a normal day-to-day task, some Excel, some editing, some movie watching, some common tasks, not very heavy AI stuff, can be done on this device. And once you get used to it, you won't want to work on a 15-inch screen laptop. Why? Because you have gotten used to a 200-inch virtual screen. Because of the micro OLED screen that it has, it will be crisp. You will be able to read text and won't see a difference. After some time, you won't be feeling any difference that whether you're watching on a normal LED screen or a VR screen. You'll adjust. Would you be ready to spend $3,400 or $4,000 on this sort of device that will replace your laptop? Maybe in future, these are the computers that will be with everyone. The old way of laptop will be laughed upon. Oh, people used to work on that. How dumb. Everyone will have that. So this is the future. I feel that. What is your opinion about that? Let me know in the comment section below.